Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Kerala style fish fry. After you've washed your fish with the lemon juice, you need to scarcely slice it. Add the following spices: chili powder, turmeric, and some salt. Put the bowl to the side and get the pesto on the mortar and add the following ingredients: cumin seeds and black pepper, and then make it into a powder. Next, add 3 pieces of garlic and mush it until it becomes this consistency. Next, add the mixture to the bowl of spices. Similarly, add the fish that we had sliced at the start into the bowl. Next, ensure the fish is coated with all of the ingredients so it gets that India style look and feel. We used our hands to do this. Subsequently, grab a pan and add some oil into it. Make sure the oil fills the pan. Next, add your fish to the pan and just listen to that sizzle. You also then want to add a handful of curry leaves as it really gets that flavour. Then you want to flip your fish so each side is covered with crispiness. After they have turned into a crispy golden colour, that is when you can serve the fish. And that is how to make fish fry Kerala style. That's extremely tasty, crispy and immaculate. I hope you guys like the recipe and make sure to like, comment and subscribe.